Hey, it's Harley here. And it's that time again. The first startup of the air conditioning for 2023. It's been kind of nice, maybe hitting 80 during the day, but going back down to the 50s at night with low humidity. It's been really nice. We've had the windows open. But today is the first of a long string of 88, 89 degree days, and the humidity will be going up. Last night was, for the first time this year, just a little bit tricky to get to sleep. It was just a little bit too warm. So we decided, all right, it's that time. So here we go. I'm going to put the microphone up really close to the unit so that you can hear the refrigerant when it begins. Sorry if you hear the clothes dryer in the background. It's an unfortunate side effect of, having to do laundry. I'm also going to take these plugs and put these plugs on those white PVC pipes that you see, the intake and exhaust for the inducer blower, so that no creepy crawlies can get in. Okay, now we're going to change the annual air filter. It's a 4-inch HEPA media filter. It's supposed to be replaced once a year, so we do that during our first startup of the AC for the year. So here we go. We're going to change it and see what the old one looks like and what the new one looks like. So, all right, let's see. You just open the cover. There's the one that we have in place, which is a 3M brand from last year. Let's see what it looks like. Let's see, people have asked, did we account for the space that we need to change the filter when we built these walls? And yes, we did. Just enough. Okay, that's what it looks like after a year. It still looks pretty clean. There we go. The one we're going with is a Nordic Pure. I've never heard of this brand, but it's called a Nordic Pure. It's not only a 4-inch HEPA filter, but it also has a layer of carbon to filter out odors. Now, we really don't have anything in the house that creates odor except for the cats, and they have their own HEPA filter at their litter box, which does a very good job. But, I don't know, going under the premise that more is more, I went with this Nordic Pure filter, which has carbon. So, I guess it's just an extra barrier against stinky smells. So let's see if I can open this without bringing a razor blade with me. And now, with the magic of I didn't actually show you all what happened, is the new filter. You can see it's black with carbon, and I'm going to put that in now. By 25 by 4. Fits into place. Put the cover back. And then screw it in. Just like that. And there you have it. Now we have another year of HEPA filtration along with carbon for this year. I'm going to put the microphone over there and you'll be able to hear the refrigerant as it begins to enter the lines. That should be interesting. I don't think I've ever been able to capture that before. So here we go. Hi, let me interrupt here for just a second. I am sorry to inform you that the following GoPro footage looks messed up. I don't know why. I guess the camera settings weren't right. It looked fine in the display, but as you can see, it's going to look all screwed up. Can it happen? I think so. This is Harley Badger. I am still alive, despite the rumors of the contrary. This year plus carbon. Really, water pipes? Come on, Nordic Pure. I just did all of that without hitting record first. Work with me, bitch. Oh yes, and something I forgot. I wrote the date on there of installation. We just won't tell anybody about this.